Let me start with something surprising. This entire presentation you're watching right now, every slide, every word, the full structure was created using AI. I didn't manually build slides, I didn't spend hours designing, and I didn't even copy paste into PowerPoint. I just gave AI a prompt and it generated a complete PowerPoint file. And the best part, you can do this using a free tool. Today, I'll show you how to create a full presentation using AI, how to download it as a PowerPoint file, how to enhance it using Copilot, and how to improve it further using AI feedback. First, head to Claude. First, you open Claude AI. You don't need any paid plan. The free version works perfectly for this. Now, give it a clear prompt. For example, create a 10-slide presentation on digital marketing with visuals. Make it modern and engaging. I want the final output in a PPT. Press enter. That's it. Boom. Your presentation is ready. Now, here's the powerful part. Instead of copying anything, Claude can generate a downloadable PowerPoint file directly. You simply download it, open in PowerPoint, and your presentation is ready. No manual slide creation, no formatting, everything is already structured. Now you can see that you've got a solid presentation, great design, strong data, clear structure. But here's the truth, even a well built deck can be made sharper, more persuasive, and far easier to present. That's exactly what Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint is built to help you do. Today, I'll walk you through 6 practical ways to use Copilot to level up this digital marketing deck. No design degree required. Generate speaker notes. Right, let's begin. Start with something most presenters skip, speaker notes. Copilot can generate context aware notes for each slide. And here's the key move, don't just ask for generic notes. When you open the Copilot pane, type something like write speaker notes for each slide in a confident, conversational tone for marketing audience. Copilot will write notes that match your slide content exactly. Right. In order to view the script Copilot prepared, it's actually very simple. You'll go to the slideshow ribbon and click on from beginning. After you click on from beginning, just hover the mouse right at the bottom. You'll find 3 dots. Click that. Then an option show presenter view. Once you click show presenter view, see all notes are visible here, covered for each slide, tailored to the specifications of each and every slide. Amazing. Enhance individual slides. Another very useful tip I would give you is that you could use Copilot to enhance each slide you feel is not aligned with the overall theme of your presentation, that is not in line with the message you're trying to deliver. For instance, have a look at this content marketing slide. At a glance, straight away, you can see that the overall theme does not align with the other slides, right? So, what we could do, we could write a prompt in the Copilot panel, make the slide more appealing, and then hit enter. Now wait for Copilot to do its job. Boom. What a beautiful slide. Now it's totally different and it actually resonates with the other slides. So this is a good idea to use Copilot to enhance the slides as you want, as per your preferences. You could fine tune the wording, structure, or visuals to better match the overall flow of the presentation. Enhance visuals. Now let's talk visuals. Copilot can create high quality custom image assets inside PowerPoint. Just ask it to generate an image, infographic, or background, then add in your slides. Now, look at the social media slide. This seems like a very dry slide, no images. So, we could put a prompt in the slide, add logos of each platform next to them, respectively. There we go. Looks wonderful now. These images are very, very important. You can see Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok centered in the lower section of each card, and they complement the existing text context very well. Now, if we carry on to this and move right to the 10th slide, This slide also seems quite dry. We could ask Copilot to add infographics. So I would write in this slide, add connecting flow elements to tie the three journey steps together. Now have a look. There are small icons inside each card that reinforce the steps. The arrows show the link between all these steps, and now it seems more professional. And that's a wrap. If this saved you hours of work or just blew your mind a little, drop a like. It genuinely helps more than you think. Subscribe if you want to see more AI tools that actually make your life easier. And if you try this yourself, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.